Hello all of you. Today the Marketing Tool channel returns. Share with everyone about a support software on the Instagram platform. Helps us comment automatically on the Insta platform. This is a software installed on the computer. I will need to buy a 1-year license or a lifetime license to use it. When you buy, you can contact me directly. WhatsApp 849-8999-0368 or Telegram at HOANGTRUNG748. The software helps us control all the Instagram accounts we have. No quantity limit. For example, everyone watches together. Here I have a number of accounts of 93 accounts. Some ways to automatically comment on all accounts are as follows. First, I create a script for those accounts. Accounts can comment on the new feed page. Comment according to people who have followed or comment according to other categories. What's more special is commenting by keyword. That is, any article containing the keyword people request will be commented on. So everyone only needs to set up some basic parameters. At each installation section there are parameters as well as instructions for use. For content, everyone just needs to click here. Then I compose the content. In this first method, the software controls the accounts that go to comment in large numbers. But I won't be able to specify which article it is. The second way is that everyone can directly specify the article they want to comment on by going to this seeding post section. After that, you can specify the degree directly using the link of that article. In my YouTube channel, I have made a video about this feature. I can like and comment directly on the article. This is the video so you can both like it and comment. Everyone can watch it live on my channel. The third way to comment is the hashtag comment feature. For example here, the number of my customers is that they do a lot of casino card games, so I will choose the keywords game and casino. Carry out the installation with some basic steps, only need to install once. The software will automatically remember these settings for the next action. Then I choose the number of Insta accounts I want to operate. And now I just need to enter the content of everyone who wants to comment here. Whatever content it is, for example, an Instagram motto bot. After that, add some information from me. If people want to enter, I can fill in any information. For example, I can fill in my information on WhatsApp or Telegram. For example, compose the content in just one line. If people compose content into 2 lines, it will comment into to content. Everyone, please leave it for me. Save it, then save it. After having the content, I choose the account. Press the start key to operate. Everyone can see the results. The software will automatically log into all the Instagram accounts you have. Log in using the password account I have here. I have logged in with username, password, email and email password if necessary. Just the previous parameters are username and password. As for email password, you may not need it. Return to this active account. The starting account comes in first. And this is the account, and it is importing later. Everyone, let's see if any hashtag containing the keyword game or casino will jump into the comment. If you see it, please comment. After it finishes commenting, it will exit this account to log into another account or another post for it to continue working. After it finishes commenting, it will report activity like this. This Instagram account is active and logging in, requiring it to have a code to verify the information on this email. It keeps working from one account to the next until the list of accounts I have runs out. Operation is very simple. When purchasing, installation and usage instructions will be provided. You can contact me directly. WhatsApp 849-8999-0368 or Telegram at HOANGTRUNG748. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hello and see you again in the next videos.